Hello, dear students. It's your EVS ma'am here. So, we are in the first chapter, blooming and sprouting. We classified all plants into three types. First one is trees. Second one, small plants. And third one is creepers. Do you know? Okay, I hope all you are understood well. So, today we are going to discuss about the features of flowers. Okay, which is smiling blossoms. Okay, do you have a garden at your home? Do you like to make garden with many flowers? What all types of plants do you have in your garden? Which of those plants blossom? Which is the flower you like most? Okay, these are the questions. We can see a lot of flowers around us. Is it like rose, jasmine, marigold, hibiscus, sunflower? Then all of you think about flowers around us. Then today we are going to discuss about the features of flowers. Okay, before that your textbooks mentions about some flowers. What are the flowers seen in this picture? What are they? You can see the picture of Lucas at the center. And all of you try to find the others' names. And here is an activity for you. Make the flowers more beautiful using suitable colors. From this activity, you can find something. The flowers are not in same color. Some flowers are in different colors and some flowers are in one color. Okay. വ്യത്യസ്ത കളറുകളുള്ള ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിനെയും ഒരേ കളറുള്ള ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് കണ്ടെത്താൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഹാവ് യു സീൻ ദ ഫ്ലവർ ഓഫ് റോസ്? The rose flower is in different color. Is it like red color, yellow color, white color, pink color, etc. But we can see the jasmine is in one color, which is white. Okay, let's tabulate the plants with the flowers of different colors and plants with the flowers of only one color. All of you listen carefully. Plants with the flowers of different colors. Here is mentions about two examples. Which are they? The hibiscus and rose. We can see hibiscus in yellow color, red color, orange color, and rose also. Then all of you listen. I will add one more flower. Okay, it is sunflower. Okay, then all of you try to add one more color in the table. Then we have to discuss plants with the flowers of one color. The table mentions Lucas and jasmine. Lucas എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? തുമ്പയാണ്, തുമ്പ. We can see jasmine and Lucas in white color. Then all of you try to find the one color flowers. So today we are classified the two types of flowers. Plants with the flowers of only one color and plants with the flowers of different colors. Like the colors of flowers, we can find out the flowers by their smell. For example, the rose, jasmine, hibiscus have a smell. Is it? Do you like the smell of rose? I think all of you like the smell of rose. Is it? Like jasmine also. Jasmine has a good smell. Is it? And there is a question in your textbook. How many plants can be identified only by the smell of their flowers? Try to write. It is the question. I will say the two examples such rose and jasmine. And all of you find two examples more. Okay. So today we are discussed about the color and the smell of the different flowers. Okay, next I am going to say about three flowers. First of all, I would say about a flower named Nishagandhi in Malayalam. Okay, this flower also known as Queen of the Night. Okay, all of you listen in your textbook. Flowers that blossom at night are white and fragrant. This helps flies locate them at night. So Nishagandhi called as Queen of the Night. Okay, we can go to the second flower. It is Neelakurunni. Okay, then let's see the explanation for Neelakurunni. The flower Neelakurunni blossoms only once in 12 years. What is sight is to see the Neelakurunni blossomed all over the Nilagiri hills. 12 വർഷത്തിലൊരിക്കൽ പൂവിടുന്ന ഒരു പ്രത്യേക തരം ഫ്ലവറാണ് എന്ത് നീലക്കുറിഞ്ഞി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ദെൻ ഇത് നീലക്കുറിഞ്ഞി പൂത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്നത് നമുക്ക് നീലഗിരി താഴ്വരകളിലൊക്കെ കാണാം. It is the most beautiful flower. Okay, then the next flower we can see the largest flower in the world. Do you know the name of the flower? Have you seen can you see the picture of flower? Anybody know the name of the flower? Yeah, it is Rafflesia. Okay, so all of you listen. Rafflesia is the biggest flower in the world. It has an approximate weight of 10 kg and encycles as big as an umbrella. It has foul smell. Okay, these are the features of Rafflesia. Rafflesia എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ലോകത്തിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ പൂവാണ്. ഏകദേശം 10 kilograms വെയിറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. എന്തിന്? റഫ്ലേഷ്യക്ക് 10 kilogram വെയിറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ദെൻ എന്താണ്, ഇതൊരു അംബ്രല്ല പോലെ എന്താണ് എൻസർക്കിൾസ് ആണ്. എന്താണ് അംബ്രല്ല പോലെ വിടർന്ന് നിൽക്കും. ക്യാൻ യു സീ ദ പിക്ചർ ഓഫ് റഫ്ലേഷ്യ ഇൻ ദ സ്ക്രീൻ? ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ മറ്റുള്ള ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിനെ പോലെയല്ല എന്താണ് റഫ്ലേഷ്യക്ക് ഇറ്റ് ഹാസ് എ ഫോൾ സ്മെൽ. ഫോൾ സ്മെൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ് ഒരു എന്താണ് ദുഷിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സ്മെല്ല്, ഒരു ഭംഗിയില്ലാത്തൊരു സ്മെല്ല്. ഓക്കെ, ഐ റിപ്പീറ്റ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ Nishagandhi. It is named as Queen of the Night. Next flower is Neelakurunni. Okay, then we can see Neelakurunni on Nilagiri hills. And it blossoms only once in 12 years. 12 വർഷത്തിലൊരിക്കൽ മാത്രമാണ് നീലക്കുറിഞ്ഞി പൂക്കുന്നത്. Okay. And the third flower, the last flower is Rafflesia. It is the biggest flower in the world. Okay, I hope all you are understood well. By the features of flowers, you can see a statement in the 11th page of your textbook. There are flowers of different color, smell and size. Flowers can be identified by their smell. There are many flowers in nature that arouse our curiosity. Have you understood well? വ്യത്യസ്ത കളറിലുള്ള, വ്യത്യസ്ത വാസനയിലുള്ള, വ്യത്യസ്ത സൈസിലുള്ള ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിനെ നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ചുറ്റുപാടും കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ അതുപോലെ എന്താണ്, സ്മെല്ല് നോക്കിയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, ഫ്ലവറിനെ ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും അല്ലേ. അതിന് എക്സാമ്പിളാണ് എന്ത്, റോസ്, ജാസ്മിൻ. Okay students, today I am going to wind up our class. So all of you try to study well from your home. Okay. So thank you dear students. Have a nice day.